Wow. DA17V, four-wheel drive, manual transmission, power window, bench type. Yan, hindi siya captain seat with complete seat belt, with rain visor, new upholstery, with 7 inches na touchscreen stereo with reverse camera, manual transmission. Yan, RO6A engine, cup holders, bottle holders. Yan, meron ditong lagayan sa taas with sun visor, dashcam. Yan, naka-aircon na yung unit natin. Odometer niya 109,388. So, mayroon siyang handbrake, new matting. Yan, kompleto ng seatbelt. Pearl white. Ang ganda. Ayan, customer from Trento, Agusan del Sur. Yan, guys. With stainless back bumper. Ayan, mayroon siyang wiper. Ayan, napakaluwang ng kanyang likuran. Wow. Ayan. Naka-Japan mugs. Ayan. Tayo sa driver's side. Power windows. Yan, mayroong bottle holder dito. Cup holder. Ayan yung kanyang panel gauge. Yan. Ang presyo nito ay umabot ng 324,500 pesos. Yan. So, sa mga gusto ng ganitong unit, i-message nyo lang po kami sa aming FB page, JN Auto Parts, or call Miss Jane 0938-5664667. Maraming salamat po, Amping Kanunay!